Okay guys, so this video is looking at how to draw a 3D shape in 1 point perspective on the horizon line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another square. It's going to be somewhere over here. I'm going to make it 30 by 30. I'm going to make it slightly smaller. Okay, I'm going to draw it here. So please, if you want to do that as well, I'm going to pause the video for a sec. If you want to pause the video now so you can draw it and then resume it once you've drawn the shape. Okay guys, so what you can see now is I've got my square here, which is 30 by 30. Now, it's the same principle as what we did here, where we're going to draw all our lines that are visible to the vanishing point. Now, again, the best way to test if you can draw it is put your ruler on each of the corners, and if it goes through the shape, we can't draw that line. Okay, so this one we can't do, and this corner here we can't do because it's going to have to draw through the shape. So what we can do then is drawing the lines for the shape that the edges that can be drawn. So this corner here, so this corner to there is possible, and this corner to there is possible. So I'm just going to draw those in. Again, make sure you draw these in very lightly. I'm just drawing mine in dark just so you can see them. We are going to rub these out after. Okay, and I'm going to draw in the next one, like so. And once more, we're going to draw in our line that makes up the side here. So this line here is going to be vertical. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my pen because I want to make sure it's in place, and I'm going to draw that in there. So it has to touch the two lines that are going to the vanishing point. So this line here and this line here. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is just darken up, or you guys will darken up the line that you want to keep. Okay, so if I just draw this into here, like so. Okay, and what I would do, what I would recommend you do, because obviously it's a solid shape, is to rub out this part of the horizon line because you don't need it. Otherwise, it will make your shape look, or can be quite confusing if you leave that in there. Okay, now at the moment, all we can see with these two that we've done is two sides, but you in 1 point perspective, you can see three faces or three sides. So the next video I'm going to do is going to be a cuboid shape, and it's going to be above the horizon line. Okay, it's going to be somewhere over here. Okay, but what I suggest you do first of all is just practice that before you move on to the next video. And it doesn't matter which side you do it on. You can do it on this side as well. We'll probably have a look at that in a later video as well.